I'm here again to take your classes. So let's start with the maths subject. In maths, today we will write here 1 to 40 counting again. Okay, so let's start with the date, which is 5/05/2020 and topic number 1 to 40 and classwork. Then you have to start from 1. Now you will speak loudly when you are note down it. Okay, as you already know that how you will write these numbers in your notebook. So I will tell you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again, start from 11 to 20. After leaving some space, start from 21 to 30. Then after leaving some space, start from 31 to 40. Okay. So do it well. I'm going to give you homework. So this is your homework which you have to done by your own. Parents, help you how to do this. Now I'm going to take your Hindi subject. In Hindi today we will write here Ka se kabutar and Kha se khargosh. Okay, so let's start with the date, which is 5/05/2020 and topic Vyanjan Ka Kha and classwork. Then you have to start from the first line. Now you know very well how you will write Ka and Kha. So let's start writing. We will write here Ka se kabutar. Okay. So first standing line, make a C and a curve and a sleeping line. Okay. Standing line, make a C and a curve and a sleeping line. Now, Kha se khargosh. Make a 2 standing line, make a C and a sleeping line. Make a 2 standing line, C and a sleeping line. Okay? So, you have to write like this. Okay, so this is your classwork. You have to note down in your notebook. I'm going to give you homework. Okay, this is your homework which you have to run by your own. Do practice it properly. Okay, now I'm going to take your English subject. In English today we will write here G for grapes again. Okay, small cursive G. So let's start with the date, which is 5/05/2020 and classwork, then topic small cursive G. So you know how to write small cursive G. So let's write. First you have to start from the third line, then make a slanting line and a C and a standing line and a curve. Okay. Slanting line, make a C and a standing line, then a curve. Slanting line, then a C and a standing line and a curve. Okay. So you have to write small cursive G like this. Okay. So this is your classwork which you have to done in your notebook. And now I'm going to give you homework which you have to done in your next page. And please do practice of small cursive G. So this is your homework which you have to done by your own. Okay, so do practice it that you can make it perfectly.